Easiest ways to earn money with surveys. Hey everyone! In this video, we'll be talking about the easiest ways to earn money with surveys. First, let's talk about what surveys are and how they work. Companies and organizations use surveys to gather information and opinions from people like you and me. In exchange for our time and opinions, they often offer rewards such as cash or gift cards. So, how can you start earning money with surveys? Here are some easy steps to follow. 1. Sign up for survey websites. There are many websites out there that offer paid surveys. Some popular ones include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Toluna. Simply create an account and start taking surveys. 2. Fill out your profile. Make sure to fill out your profile completely and accurately. This will help you get matched with surveys that are relevant to you. 3. Take surveys. Once you're signed up and your profile is complete, start taking surveys. The more surveys you take, the more money you can earn. 4. Redeem your rewards. Once you've earned enough points or cash, you can redeem your rewards. Each website has its own redemption process, so make sure to read the instructions carefully. And that's it. By following these easy steps, you can start earning money with surveys in no time. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.